Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I forgot my intro. Did I have an intro? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'll have to check. We hit like 630 subscribers, which is great. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into my channel.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Today's video is going to be a very special video. I do not have time to explain, unfortunately, but I'm wearing a very cute outfit. I'm wearing this tight grey top, these bangles from West Side, earrings from, I'll tag it here somewhere, and I'm wearing a denim skirt from Urbanic, and I am headed to Lower Parel. I'm going to the Palladium mall, which is in Lower Parel, to do something very special. I think you all have read by the title. Obviously I am gonna go and get myself an iPad, but I am not being very excited abhi because I just called the store in the morning and they said that the pink color that I wanted was not available in the variant. So I've asked them to order it from somewhere. They're gonna get back to me, but we are going to go there regardless because I've always wanted to visit the Paul cafe which is there, and I just found out yesterday that it is in Palladium itself. So I am gonna go there now. I'm going with Nosh and we might also do a little shoot. So I'm wearing a cute outfit and I'm very excited to like document this because it's one of my first, not my first, but it's one of my first big girl purchases and my first electronic device. No, I've got my camera also, but yeah, like my first Apple product that you might say that I'm getting for myself from my own money. And I've been saving up thoda sa, more than saving up, I was just making up my mind that I actually do want this, and it's been quite a long time now and it's like I can't wait to get it. So we're just gonna go and get it. See, this is my outfit. I am wearing this top and then this maxi skirt. We are at Paul and Nosh is having, what are you having? He's having a sandwich with lemonade and I am having a fettuccine with pesto sauce and a potato, whatever it's called, coffee. So this is what Nosh is having, the sandwich combo with the Caesar sandwich and lemonade. Then I'm having this because I've never tried fettuccine, and excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We should have tried some dessert though. Guys, we are standing outside Aptronix and we just, we We just got a call from Aptronix and they said that the iPad that I wanted is finally here. And हम लोग ने stock place करते because they said कि stock available नहीं है. So finally stock आ गया and now we are going to get it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Guys, obviously something had to go wrong. हमको बिठा दिया अभी. पहले तो शूट करने से मना कर दिया. मैं रील बना रही थी इतनी क्यूट एंड देन अभी बिठा दिया हम लोगों को बिकॉज कार्ड का कुछ इशू है अबाउट द कैशबैक थिंगी. सो वी आर वेटिंग नाउ. We are going home. Okay. मैं दिख रही नहीं हूँ. I'm just gonna fix the lighting quickly. One sec. Little bit better. It's not the best, but better, I think. Okay. Hi, you guys. I'm finally home. I know I'm not in the best state right now. Fudge, you wanna come? You wanna say hi? Sit. So guys, I'm finally home. I didn't get the time to unbox the iPad after I came. Okay. I didn't get the time to unbox the iPad after I came home because we had a family dinner situation. So I directly rushed there once I reached home. But I am so happy. Now actually just 2 minutes ago I opened my iPad box and I did the unboxing for a reel. So I made like a portrait mode mein, not landscape but standing portrait mode mein. I clicked a few videos. Okay, now that that's done, I have the bag here with me. I usually buy all my Apple products from uni, but this time we went to Aptronix. One for the thumbnail, okay. Here is my iPad. I just opened it like 2 minutes ago for the unboxing, as I told you guys, and I will just show you guys what it comes with. So this is the iPad 10th generation. I didn't go for the iPad Air because it was obviously expensive and a little bit smaller, and I didn't really see a lot of, मतलब मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट ऐसे डिफरेंस नहीं देखा दोनों में. एंड माई पर्पस ऑफ बाइंग एन iPad practically was solved by this, so I didn't need to spend extra. I really love the color. So when you open the box, obviously you have the iPad जो मैंने अभी उल्टा रखा है कवर के अंदर. Here is the iPad. वो नमस्ते वाला thing it's doing. I'll just turn that off. This is how it looks. बॉक्स के साथ मेरा ये मैंने बिल रखा है. There's this. Once you open it up, they give you the fast charger and the lightning cable. So a USB-C cable comes along with this, and then there's the fast charger which won't go on your phone if you have an iPhone 15. आपको ये काम में आएगा, but उसके अलावा it won't because वो USB cable नहीं है, lightning cable नहीं है. This is the C type cable. And obviously unboxing the iPad again for you guys, even though I just did it once. I love the pink color, you guys. This is so cute. I love it. So I'm just gonna quickly, like, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the iPad, do everything on camera, जो भी film करना था मैं कर लूँ, so that I can finally start using my iPad. And also I ordered an Apple pen जो इसके लिए चाहिए होता है. Sorry, not an Apple pen, but an Apple pen is required for this, but that was for another 11K, which I didn't find reasonable to spend on. So I just ordered another pen from Amazon, which retails for around 1700, and I saw the reviews, everything was so good. A friend of mine also uses the same pen, it was perfect. And I ordered a screen guard for it, the pen and a case, all of it for 2400 total. So I ordered a pink flap case with a pen holder, then I ordered the pen and I ordered a tempered glass, all for 2400, which I think is a steal deal and all good quality. That's gonna come परसों. मैंने आज ही order place किया because आज ही मैंने iPad लिया, and that's gonna come परसों. I just wanted to come on here, show you guys everything before I properly start using this, so that all my content is done, my YouTube video, my reel, everything is made. I am going to be making a reel obviously, because this, let's come to the main part. My camera is recording and I can see it only has 3 minutes left storage ka. So yeah, coming back to this, it's been, I won't say it's been a huge dream, because obviously I knew that once I started earning, obviously I would spend it on myself in some way or the other. And I am personally, I don't know if it's a brand conscious thing, but I personally love Apple. I have almost all their products. Again, I'm not flaunting, but it's just a thing. बहुत लोगों का होता है, it's probably for the aesthetics or whatever. No, I've got this from my own hard-earned money. I saved up for it. 2-3 महीने के लिए I was saving up. I was making my mind, making that decision, and now I'm so proud of myself. This is one of my first, as I mentioned in the beginning, big girl purchases, and today was such a proud moment for me, such a happy moment for me. I went there all alone and got myself this present for, I don't know, working hard, because I know I've been working so hard and managing so many things. This was just a gift to myself, which I was supposed to gift in October on my birthday, but it just so happened now, and I'm so grateful for it. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful for myself, for you guys, for everyone who is out there supporting me in any way that you are. But that's it for today, for today's episode. That is it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know, I'm just gonna go set up my iPad now